enabling Wi-Fi and the LG Smart ThinQ app for a compatible LG refrigerator. The LG ThinQ application allows you to communicate with your Wi-Fi-enabled LG refrigerator using your smartphone. Please note that this feature is only available on refrigerator models with Wi-Fi. Before using the LG ThinQ app, use your smartphone to check the strength of your Wi-Fi network's wireless router signal near the refrigerator. If the distance between the router and refrigerator is too far, the signal can become weak, and it may take a long time to register or fail to install the application. In this case, move the wireless router close to the refrigerator or ask your internet service provider about upgrading it. If the signal is good, turn off the mobile data or cellular data on your smartphone and connect your smartphone to the wireless router. Note that your LG refrigerator supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks only. When creating the wireless network name, or SSID, it should be a combination of English letters and numbers. Do not use special characters. Installing the LG ThinQ application. The LG ThinQ app supports both Android and iOS smartphones. On your smartphone, enable the wireless network, either 3G or 4G, and Wi-Fi. Search for the LG ThinQ app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your smartphone. Then follow the instructions to download and install it. Connecting to Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi button, when used with the LG ThinQ app, allows the refrigerator to connect to a home Wi-Fi network. Initial appliance registration. Run the LG ThinQ app and follow the instructions in the app to register your refrigerator. To re-register the refrigerator or register another user, press and hold the Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds to temporarily turn it off. Run the LG ThinQ app and follow the instructions in the app to register the refrigerator. Things you can do with the LG ThinQ app. The LG ThinQ app provides a more personalized experience based on an analysis of your refrigerator usage patterns and offers an array of smart functions. Smart Sabbath activates or deactivates the Sabbath mode and sets the schedule for the mode activation. Energy monitoring keeps track of the refrigerator's power consumption and the number of door openings. Remote control controls the refrigerator temperature, fresh air filter, and the Ice Plus function from the smartphone app. Push messages can be activated so that if the refrigerator door remains open for more than 10 minutes, you will receive a message alert. And when Ice Plus is finished, you will receive a message. Smart Diagnosis provides useful information for diagnosing and solving issues with the refrigerator based on the pattern of use. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.